On site at CE Engineering and Brisbane Rewinding, carrying out a surge comparison test of a 550 kilowatt Newage Stamford alternator. The alternator is clean and has an IR test of over 1,000. And now we're about to start operating the surge tester, a Baker's Instruments DX surge tester, put out by Megger and formerly SKF. To begin with, we have to select surge comparison testing. Once that is up, we push 1 for the first phase, and now we need to hold this button in while we turn the voltage up. The voltage we'll be going today is 1500 volts, which is double the rated voltage plus 1,000 and taking 20% off for an older winding. Okay, now that is A phase tested to 1500 volts, and that's our sine wave there. Now we'll do B phase next, which is changing it to B phase, and the same process is repeated. As you can see, A phase was the red line, B phase is the blue line. Now the B phase has completely overlapped the A phase red line, showing us that they're both in balance, and we're about to do C phase, which will be a green line, which should overlap both of these if the motor is actually intact. So that is the green C phase sine wave overlapping the other two sine waves, showing that the result is satisfactory for the Newage Stamford 550 kilowatt alternator stator that we have here. So thanks to the Baker Instruments DX surge tester by Megger, we now know that the windings are intact and able to be reused.